Planking is one of the simplest and most effective exercises you can do for your core, posture, balance, and overall fitness. But what happens when you plank every day for a month or longer? Here are some of the benefits and challenges of this popular workout. Benefits of planking every day. Your core strengthens significantly. Your core comprises several muscle groups and covers your abdominals, back, hips, pelvis, and buttocks. A weak core can cause problems like poor posture and neck and shoulder pain. Planking activates the core muscles better than other ab exercises that solely target the core. Planking recruits the rectus abdominis, those deep muscles in the abdominals which are responsible for that six-pack, the transverse abdominis, the deepest layer of abdominal muscles that are responsible for spinal stability, and the obliques, the ab muscles that help with rotation. You reduce the risk of back injuries. Planking strengthens your lower back and hips, which can help prevent or reduce back pain. Planking also improves your body awareness, which means you can use the right muscles to make movements smoother and avoid putting unnecessary stress on your spine. You improve your posture. Planking helps you stand taller and maintain good posture by engaging your core and stabilizing muscles in your upper body, like your shoulders. A good posture can improve your breathing, digestion, circulation, and confidence. Your mental health improves. Planking can boost your mood and reduce stress by releasing endorphins, the feel-good hormones in your brain. Planking can also help you cope with anxiety and depression by giving you a sense of accomplishment and control over your body. You boost your metabolism. Planking burns more calories than other static exercises because it works your entire body while increasing your metabolism. Planking can also help you lose weight by building lean muscle mass, which can increase your resting metabolic rate, the number of calories you burn at rest. Enjoying this video and learning something new? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Did you know? The world record for holding a plank is more than 4 hours. Most experts suggest anywhere from 10 up to 30 seconds is plenty for planking. Planking can also help you cope with anxiety and depression by giving you a sense of accomplishment and control over your body. How do you do the plank? Lie face down on the floor with your forearms and toes on the floor. Your elbows should be directly under your shoulders and your forearms should be facing forward. Engage your core muscles by drawing your navel toward your spine. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Don't let your hips sag or rise. Hold this position for as long as you can, keeping your breathing steady and your neck relaxed. Aim for at least 10 seconds and work up to 30 seconds or more. Challenges of planking every day. You may get bored. Planking every day can get monotonous and tedious if you do the same variation for the same duration every time. To keep things interesting and challenging, you can try different plank variations, such as side planks, reverse planks, Spider-Man planks, etc. You can also increase the intensity by adding weights, resistance bands, or unstable surfaces. You may plateau. Planking every day can also lead to a plateau in your progress if you don't change the intensity or duration of your planks. To avoid this, you can follow the principle of progressive overload, which means gradually increasing the difficulty of your planks as you get stronger. You can do this by adding more time, more reps, more sets, or more variations to your planks. You may overtrain. Planking every day can also cause overtraining if you don't give your muscles enough time to recover and repair. Overtraining can lead to fatigue, soreness, injury, and reduced performance. To prevent this, you should listen to your body and take rest days when needed. You should also warm up before planking and stretch after planking to improve blood flow and flexibility. Conclusion. Planking every day can have many benefits for your physical and mental health, but it also comes with some challenges. To get the most out of planking every day, you should vary your planks, increase their difficulty gradually, and take rest days when necessary. Planking every day can be a great way to improve your core strength, posture, balance, and overall fitness. Thank you for watching. Check out our other videos for a bit of insight into different topics.